Welcome to the Quick Galloper YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell.
Starter now looks to be ready. They're off for the first. Almost perfect start. Big LA gets a good one. Native Flyer is there. Bubbling War on the outside. Total Velocity now making ground on the inside rail. Slam Sharp right on the heels. Just about 5 lengths separates that bunch as they race past the 5. Good Conscience a further 2 lengths back in behind that group. Costa Living on the rail. My Eclipse out wide. Chublu now asked to get going. And Secret Sensation last of the pack as they've left the half mile and run passing the 7th, 16th. Big LA charting the course. Opens up a 4-length advantage over Bubbling Warrior. 2 to Slam Sharp. Total Velocity a length under tailback and running in 4th. Costa Living now asked to go. Native Flyer and the Oryx Hills is on the outside of horses as they charge away now, leaving the 5-16. Good Conscience asked to make ground for what looks to be an improbable position. True Blue racing toward the back along with My Eclipse and Secret Sensation, but they're into the lane. They've got to catch Big LA and the track playing for speed. It is Big LA out in front with a 4-length lead. Slam Sharp in pursuit. Bubbling Warrior right alongside. Costa Living asked to make ground on the outside, but it is Big LA with that lead beginning to tie up just a little bit, but still holding on to a 1.5 length advantage as Slam Sharp sprout swings and begins to fly on the outside. Slam Sharp well timed by Tevin Foster beats Big LA, Costa Living, Good Conscience and True Blue.
Thank you for watching another video produced by the team from QuickGallopJA.com and its YouTube channel, The Quick Galloper. Please stay on the channel for other enlightening videos on those involved in local horse racing. Please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell.